Hey guys, and welcome back to my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Facebook feed. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First open the Facebook app and now click on the top right corner three lines here and now scroll down and click on privacy and settings and then click on settings and scroll down and click on content preferences and now go to unfollow here. And here unfollow all the pages you don't want to see on your feed. Then your Facebook feed will be reset. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, like my video.